Hello coders, today we will talk about how to self-study for CPC exam. If you want to become a medical coder, you need to obtain any related certification like CPC. Should you wish to prepare yourself for the CPC exam by self-study, then this video for you. Very first thing, you need to familiarize yourself with the structure of the CPC exam, including the number of questions, time limit, and topics covered. Review the exam syllabus and content outline provided by AAPC, American Academy of Professional Coders. Acquire study guides, textbooks, coding manuals, ICD-10 CPT, HSPX Level 2, and practice exams designed specifically for the CPC exam. Consider joining online review courses or webinars for additional guidance. Develop a comprehensive study plan that outlines your study goals, resources, and study schedule leading up to the exam date. Allocate sufficient time for each topic and prioritize areas where you need more practice. Solve practice questions and coding scenarios regularly to reinforce your understanding of coding guidelines and concepts. Take timed practice exams to simulate exam conditions and improve time management skills. Review your answers and explanations for incorrect responses. Focus on areas of weakness and revisit study materials as needed. Stay confident and maintain a positive mindset throughout your preparation. From the last videos, we have started discussing basics of medical coding in preparing for CPC exam. Please check out our upcoming videos, like them and share with CPC aspirants. Till then, thank you and happy coding.